Hello everyone. So today I bring you the very first video of 2022 and wish you all a very happy new year. I really do hope that this year will be better than the previous two. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So I wanted to do this 10 minutes, 1 minute and 10-second challenge for a long time, but I was not really confident with my speed. I am not a fast painter at all. I don't consider myself as fast painter. So this is a huge challenge for me. And what's better than starting a new year with a new challenge? So finally, I made it happen, and this is how it went. So I started with the 10-minute painting first. My goal was to keep the shape proper and paint it the way that it's recognizable. I have never drawn a detailed, realistic eye within 10 minutes. It's just not for me because I focus a lot on details and stuff, so it takes me a long time. I am not satisfied unless it's properly detailed. So this was a really tough challenge for me because I had to overlook a lot of details and I had to work too fast. I'm really not used to it. I love to take my time, but this is a challenge, so you have to face it boldly, I guess. This video is not sped up, so you can enjoy the whole 10 minutes painting process of this eye. I started with the skin first because the foundation and knowing the light source is important. So in this particular one, the light source is coming from the right side, and this is a random eye. I didn't really have any reference for it. I love to draw eyes a lot, so it kind of remained in my memory and I tried something with it. And also I have my skin color palette, so using those and with the help of my memory, this eye drawing happened. I might or might not have emphasized a bit too much on the skin. Let's see. If you are also a detail freak like me and want to know every single thing from scratch, you might want to check out the 2 in-depth video tutorials I have on my channel. There is another tutorial, but that is a bit faster, so I wouldn't recommend that to the beginners. So please enjoy the process and I'll get back to you really soon. Feel free to leave any questions regarding this process. I would be happy to answer them. When I started to add the eyelashes, I felt like, is it me or the time moving too fast? I simply couldn't believe how quickly the time reached almost to the end. And I was like, oh my god, I haven't done anything. What I'm gonna do? I started panicking. I started panicking so badly. I was so disappointed in myself because the eyelashes were uneven and not that pretty like I imagined. But hey, I could finish it in time at least. I don't really know why I tried to add that eye crease at the very last moment. I really shouldn't have done that. It kinda looks weird, but I can't change the past. So my 10 minutes ended and I was left with this. I wouldn't say I was completely unhappy with it. I am proud of myself for pulling it off within 10 minutes, but I think I could have done better if I took better decisions. So this was a learning process and I think I can use this knowledge in my future drawings. Before moving to the next segment, that is the 1 minute process, I would like to do a special mention for another ambitious 10 minutes, 1 minute, and 10 seconds try. I don't think I'm ever going to put that in my channel, but I think I should mention it. So here it comes: 10 minutes, 1 minute, and 10 seconds version of Monalisa. And fun fact, the 10-minute part actually ended up being 1 hour, or maybe more than that. And I'm just too lazy to finish it properly. God knows why I tried the challenge, but sometimes you just want to be a bit crazy, I guess. So anyways, let's get back to the next challenge, that is the 1 minute one. It's probably the fastest 1 minute I have ever witnessed in my life. Seconds passed so fast, I can't even explain that feeling. I was 100% sure that I'm not going to finish it on time. But still, I wanted to make that shape of the eye intact. I wanted to make it look like an eye at least. I definitely am more happy with the 1 minute version than the 10 minutes one, because I had zero expectation and it turned out much better. So yeah. Now the final boss is here, that is 10 seconds. If 1 minute had zero expectation, this was probably minus. So here goes nothing. And there we have it. The 10 minutes, 1 minute, and 10 seconds version of eye drawing. I don't know how realistic the 1 minute and 10-second versions look like, but I must say that I am glad that I could pull it off. Honestly, this was really stressful for me, like really stressful, if I'm being completely honest. But this was a huge learning session for me that I'm going to apply if I try this kind of challenges in future. Let me know in the comments if you want to watch more of this kind of time related challenges in future as well. I will try my best to make them. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this new kind of content and I would love to know your feedbacks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.